Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for this morning is when God parts your Jordan. Joshua 3:6-17. You see, have you ever stood at the edge of something impossible? Maybe a challenge too deep, a fear too wide, a situation that seems unmovable? That's exactly where Israel stood at the flooded Jordan River. You see, the promise of the promised land was right ahead, but between them and that promise was a river in flood season. Yet God told Joshua, tell the priest to step into the water, not after it parts, not when it's safe, but before. And as soon as their feet touched the edge of the water, the river stopped and the people crossed on dry ground. You see, this moment tells us something powerful about the God that we serve. He is not a distant observer. He goes before us. He is not limited by nature. He commands it. You know, he is not waiting for the storm to end. He is waiting for us to step in by faith. You see, sometimes God doesn't move the obstacles until we move in obedience. See, the priest had to step in first before the miracle came. Friends, the same God who parted the Jordan still leads his people today. You see, your Jordan might be fear, addiction, loss, or uncertainty. But when you take that step of faith, God's power will meet you right there. So step forward. See, the water may look deep, but the God who parts rivers is the same yesterday, today, and forever. See, he doesn't just promise deliverance, he leads the way. Step in, trust him, and watch the waters move. God bless.